Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's session of Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India, dated December 12, 2023. So, before we go ahead, I would like to give a small disclaimer that registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASEL, and certification of NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary, provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investment security markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Without taking up much time, I'll start with Nifty chart analysis for yesterday and for past few days as well. As you can see, Nifty has just been on an upward trajectory for the past few sessions, apart from one negative session. Last 10 to 12 sessions for Nifty has been quite positive. Over the course of time, Nifty has reclaimed its recent high of 20,222 as well. And after that, because of positive state election results, we got a follow through day as well, where Nifty rose more than 1.5% on volumes higher than the previous day. So currently we are in confirmed uptrend, and even D day, that is the distribution day count, currently stands at zero. Distribution day count is used by William O'Neill to track market weakness, and at this moment it's standing at zero. If we talk about recent support or future support for Nifty, one is the recent high of 20,222, and then before that is the low of the FTD, that is 20,500. Uh, 20,500. So these are the immediate supports for Nifty at this moment. Even yesterday's session, if you see, Nifty had a positive opening. After that, it made a new high of 21,026, hovered around there, and then closed marginally below 21,000. Overall, broader markets are still performing well, and broader markets outperformed Nifty yesterday. Talking about key news, RVNL and URC JV emerged as the lowest bidder L1 for project worth rupees 543 crores of Madhya Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation. BLS was awarded a contract for outsourcing consular passport and visa services for High Commission of India in Canada, and the contract encompasses operations at HCI in Ottawa and Consulate Generals of India in Toronto and Vancouver. REC Limited entered into a 200 million euro loan agreement with Germany's KfW Development Bank. Infi appointed Jayesh Sangharajka as CFO from 1st April 2024. Nilanjan Roy, the current CFO, will resign by 31st March 2024. Sterling Wilson Solar launched a QIP on 11 December, then set floor price as 365.02 per share. Similarly, J&K Bank launched a QIP on 11th December and sets floor price at 112.66 per share. Talking about the global market update, yesterday all the three US indices closed higher. Dow Jones closed up by 0.4%, Nasdaq by 0.4%, Nasdaq by 0.2%, and S&P 500 by 0.4%. Asian markets are trading in flattish to positive territory, as you can see. Only Shanghai is trading minutely lower by 0.1%. Kospi is trading higher by 0.2%, and Nikkei by 0.6%. GIFT Nifty is indicating positive opening at this moment. Yesterday's close was minutely below the 21,000 mark, 20,996. And GIFT Nifty is indicating opening of around 21,140-50 levels. So even today we can see a good positive opening. After that, it's how Nifty behaves during the day becomes very important. Is it still able to make new highs, or after all the positive sessions that it's been having for the past few days, will it retrace or not? So talking about the chart of the chart of the day for us is Dodla Dairy. As you can see, the EPS strength for the stock of 86 is very good. Price strength is fair, but buyer demand is great. Currently, the stock is forming cup with handle base. It's a stage two with cup with handle base, and it's forming the handle base, and it's kind of consolidating at this moment. No major signs of distribution. Even on the left hand side of the base, there is no major signs of distribution. On the right hand side of the base, you can see some sign of accumulation, which is a good sign. And overall, the fund holding for the stock has been improving. And the last few quarters, the stock is getting momentum for good increase in sales and EPS as well. Being a commoditized business, ROE of 11% is still good. And even last time when the stock breakout, after a few sessions, it got a good momentum as you can see. And this time also, it's kind of consolidating on the handle part, but it's still 4% to pivot. So during this 4%, the stock has time to get its RS line back up and even show a little more sign of accumulation as well. So when that happens and when the RS line again starts to move higher and the stock breaks out on above average volume, it can be a good enough stock to watch out for. At this moment, as markets are very supportive, many stocks are breaking out, but need to identify the good stocks, and this can be a very good stock to keep in your buy watch list. So thank you, and that's it from our side. And stay tuned to the space of Rebel with William O'Neill India from Monday to Friday, 8:45 a.m. sharp. And we have launched a WhatsApp channel for MarketSmith India as well. Uh, Please subscribe and get connected to that as well for your daily market updates. Thank you.